Hello, everybody, and welcome. Some of you know me, some of you don't. My name is Rachel Garcia, and I'm coming here today with you to do an interview with my dear friend, Dr. Nkem Okpala. Dr. Nkem is a medical doctor, and she's had a private practice up in New Jersey since 2006, for about 14 years now. And she's actually from Nigeria. Now, you may or may not know about the company that we work with, Pure, that we actually have a huge presence in Nigeria and Ghana. And the product that we're going to talk with you about today is a product that was first introduced in Nigeria and Ghana. And because Dr. Nkem has a very large team in those areas, and she's also a medical doctor, she very quickly became very educated on this specific product. And what she has found out will blow your minds. We're super excited about the fact that it's coming to the United States. And from what I understand, there's really nothing else out there like that in our market, like this product in our marketplace. And so I am excited to share it with you guys today. And I'm going to turn it over to Dr. Okpala, and she's going to give you some facts on this product and a little bit of the experience that she's had with it. So Dr. Okpala, thank you so much for joining us today. I'm just going to let you take it away.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Rachel. I really appreciate you taking our time to let us educate everyone on what we have in PURXCEL. So hi everyone. Like Rachel said, my name is Nkem Okpala. I'm married. I have 4 children, and I've been practicing in the state of New Jersey with my husband. Well, he does most of the work. I just watch. So when PURXCEL was actually introduced in Nigeria, I was really very excited because Nigeria is a third world country, and most of the things we have here for healthcare, we do not have back home. So most people can actually afford PURXCEL. So just a little tidbit on PURXCEL. So PURXCEL is actually a plant-based supplement. It's one of the products of the company Pure, and it's actually a product that works at a cellular level. It has 3 main ingredients: a bioavailable glutathione. I say bioavailable because most products that have glutathione in them are not bioavailable, but the one in PURXCEL is bioavailable. It also has superoxide dismutase, and it has aloe aspartate. Aloe aspartate is the main active ingredient in the aloe vera plant. So most people actually use aloe vera plants, but without getting that aloe aspartate, and we have it in PURXCEL. So what the heck is glutathione? Glutathione is a master antioxidant. What are antioxidants? They help us prevent damage to cells from free radicals at the cellular level. Everything starts at the cellular level. Superoxide dismutase is the same thing as well, and so is aloe aspartate. Glutathione has actually been said to be the master antioxidant. Our body does produce it, but as we age, as we get older, we have reduced production of glutathione. And without supplementation, all those functions that glutathione should be able to do are not done at all. The amazing thing about the one in PURXCEL is it also has 18 complementary ingredients. Milk thistle, everyone knows what milk thistle is. It's actually an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant as well. And it helps support hepatitis, which is liver inflammation. It helps with anti-inflammatory issues, and also helps lower cholesterol levels. We also have the ALA, which is the alpha lipoic acid. It's also an antioxidant as well. Not as powerful as the glutathione though, but it also helps with anti-aging. Who doesn't want to look younger, right? Helps with blood sugar levels as well. Turmeric, everyone knows, helps with cholesterol levels. Is also a powerful antioxidant as well. Moringa, which most people take, actually in the moringa plants, it's actually really very good for anti-inflammation, and it's also a good antioxidant. The good thing about ours is that we have black pepper extract in it, and black pepper extract helps with absorption of nutrition and the nutrients in PURXCEL. The amazing thing about this though is, compared with most glutathione in the market, we do not have phosphate or binders in our own PURXCEL, and it's purely plant-based. An exciting thing about ours is that it also helps, or would I say it's actually affordable back home. Like I said, I'm really very passionate about people back home that are unable to afford healthcare. Most people that have been on these products have actually seen results, and it's all based on testimonies. Now, as many facts that we can give you here, it's actually the stories that will tell you that work. Why would you choose PURXCEL as a product or as a daily supplement? Well, many people are actually inflamed. About 99% of most people alive are actually inflamed. And without a powerful antioxidant in your daily diet, you're actually going to have problems with diabetes, with cholesterol levels, with sleep, with energy, with thyroid issues. And these are things that we deal with on a daily basis in the practice. So PURXCEL is one product that actually solves most of these problems. We have seen changes in my practice in a patient that had been on most of our products in Pure and still was not having any change in their blood pressure levels. Immediately we started him on PURXCEL. We actually saw results, and that was very exciting for me. This patient was already on the glutathione on the shelves and was still not getting any results. So that bioavailability that we have in PURXCEL is really very good to be using on a daily basis. Those that have like weight issues, diabetes, we've seen people that are still not actually taking the proper diet. In Nigeria, most of our diet is actually high carbohydrates, but we're seeing numbers come down because of what we have in PURXCEL. Now, we're not saying that PURXCEL cures or treats anything. We're saying because you're giving your body what it needs, cleansing, balancing, and building the body, which is the philosophy of this company, we've seen a lot of improvements in health issues. Okay, that's really the tidbit of what we have in PURXCEL.
That's amazing, Dr. Nkem. And I want to, you talked a lot about it being bioavailable, and
Yes.
I know that a lot of people maybe don't understand what that means. Could you explain
Yes.
that for the average
person? So when we have supplements in products, supplements are not regulated at all, and we have a lot of supplements that have phosphates and binders in them. So you take it and it doesn't work. You're taking the right amount, but it doesn't work because they're all bound. Or bioavailable means immediately you take it, it gets into your bloodstream within minutes, and it's able to help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation, thereby helping support whatever problems you have, whether it's diabetes or hypertension.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Now, if you don't mind sharing with me a little bit about, as a medical doctor who sees loads of patients a day, and I do not believe you for a second that your husband does all the work. Because there is no medical doctor who sees patients that is not doing a lot of work. So I know you do a lot of work. I'm sure that you see a lot of things come and go, and you and I met each other a number of years ago. I would love to hear a little bit about what caught your attention about this company, Pure, and why are you still here so many years later and so passionate about sharing it with others? Even as you have kids at home on a weekend, you're taking the time out to get this information out. Why?
Because when you see sick people, it changes you. It really does. And when you find something that works, you stick with it. Pure is not on trial here. What is on trial is your determination to be healthy. So when I found this company, I was desperate to be healthy, myself, my husband, and my children. I wasn't even thinking of my patients at that time. All I know is that I did not want to be sick like some of my patients. I was very afraid of being sick. So when I heard that philosophy of cleansing, balancing, and building the body, it's like, oh my God. I wasn't taught that in medical school at all. I was taught about pharmacology a lot, and cleansing, get the junk out, get the free radicals out, balance your pH, make it more alkaline, reduce cancer, reduce risk of cancer, reduce risk of infection, and then build it up with good nutrition. Are you kidding me? It works. And apart from that, I've seen my patients get off medication. That to me is joy every day. When my patients call and say, I don't feel anxious anymore, I'm no longer on antidepressants, I'm not taking insulin anymore, I'm not afraid to go out, I do not have allergies again, I'm no longer taking allergy shots. Oh my, it gets me really excited, really.
Yeah. So for those of you who don't know my story, I'm a physician assistant, and Nkem's story is my exact story. I came into this thinking, this sounds right. This sounds like it could be true. And yeah, I'll get some of the stuff and see how it works. And then when it starts to affect your own family, and gosh, I should throw on this video Nkem's before and after pictures and my before and after pictures, because we look like totally different people. And I'll tell you, healthcare providers, and Nkem can attest to this, work hard We are fully booked all day long. We barely take breaks. We don't take the time to eat properly. Typically, healthcare providers don't get enough sleep, don't get enough time to exercise. And it does, as she was saying, it wears on our bodies to where you begin to understand, if I don't start taking care of this amazing gift I have, I'm in trouble. And then you start to go, well, what do I do? What do I take? How do I do it? It's so much work. Oh my gosh. And so for me, Pure was an easy answer that actually works. And I think one of the great things about PURXCEL, you know, Pure has this amazing system of cleanse, balance, build. And I know, Nkem, you and your family, we both probably take so many products from the company because there is no one hit wonder product.
No,
we know that, right?
No,
we need omega-3, we need calcium. We need so many different things. And I believe glutathione is just that, one of those missing puzzle pieces that
it is.
really no one is getting. Where would somebody get this outside of, can you get it from food? Where does glutathione come from?
I mean, you can get it from asparagus, but you have to sit down and eat about 100 cups of asparagus. Are you going to do that? No one is going to do that. And unfortunately, we do not have the essential nutrients in food anymore. So without actually supplementing with a good supplement like PURXCEL, everything is just going to go the wrong way, because you're going to have reduced levels as you age. And I'm sure no one wants to die young. Everyone wants to live a healthy life. Now, glutathione, like you said, glutathione is one thing. And people will buy 20 different ingredients and then take 20 different things. And I tell them, you have all these things in one capsule. Why don't you just take one thing in one capsule that gets into your bloodstream within minutes and doesn't sit in your gut and slowly seeps out in your gut, because it's not bioavailable. So Pure has made it easy. Pure has made it easy. Another thing people tell me is, it's expensive. Well, I always say you're going to pay. If you don't pay now, you're going to pay when you get sick. You are going to pay when you get sick. So like I said, Pure is not on trial. PURXCEL is not on trial. None of our products are on trial because they work. What is on trial is really your determination to stop making excuses and start taking care of yourself.
Yes. And I'll add to that analogy, or you just talked about things being expensive. I always say, if you were training for a marathon, we can go buy running shoes from Walmart. I mean, you can buy a $25 running shoe, right? And so let's say I got the $25 running shoe and you went and got the $250 Nike. Is there a difference? And, you know, there's people who will always buy the cheapest thing, but there will be a difference. In a week or two, my knees are going to be hurting, my ankles are going to be hurting, you're going to be flying by me doing just fine, and I'm going to be struggling and needing to replace it because I didn't spend the money. And so if you're going to spend money on something, it's my belief, this is our house. We live here. This is our only house the whole time we're here on this earth. Why in the world would you not spend the money on this? And so this product coming to the US is such a big deal. I know that all of you in Nigeria and Ghana, like, they're ecstatic about it. And so I'll talk briefly about the prices. When it becomes available, it looks like there's going to be a 4-bottle pack that's retail is $171. The US cost, if you're a member, a preferred customer, or a business builder in Pure, is only $129. So that's an amazing, amazing deal. A 7-bottle package, which I know is very, very popular, is $188 with the discounted price. And so those, you know, the packages go all the way up to 20 bottles and 40 bottles. The 40-bottle package is $994. I know there's a lot of people in Nkem who are specifically in Nigeria and Ghana the medical doctors are purchasing the larger packages, and then they're, you know, distributing them.
Distributing them,
having to do the whole online thing, and I believe that's probably going to be something that happens quite a bit here in the US as well, with it just one capsule a day and we're good to go.
Just put it, it's easy, it's easier that way. Put them in their hands and get it working and then seeing results. Because I mean, we're actually in a result-based society as well. People want to see results and they want to see it fast. And having seen the result that we have seen back in Nigeria, which is just a blessing, big blessing for me, where people that were hypertensive and no longer hypertensive, no longer medications. People were on oral hypoglycemic agents, no longer on those medications because of PURXCEL. stroke patients that had no access to any form of rehabilitation are able to walk. Now, like we said, we're not curing, treating anything. We're just giving your body what it needs. It's just amazing when you give your body what it needs in the right amount, the right way, and you see changes. And it appears like magic, but it's really not. But I'll take it. Even if anyone says it's magic, it's working for us. So
that's so great.
yeah.
Well, I know that I have heard so much about the testimonies, and let me just reiterate what Dr. Nkem said. We're not making any claims. We don't know if what we've seen with this person is going to happen with that person. It's just, but it is science, and she's a scientist, I'm a scientist. We went to school for a really long time to be able to practice medicine, and when you understand how things work, it is very, very exciting to see something that our bodies are all deficient in, that it's, again, like a missing puzzle piece. And so we're excited for it to be coming to the US. Dr. Nkem, thank you so much for taking the experience and education that you have from using this product with your friends and family and colleagues in Nigeria and Ghana and sharing it here in the US. I know we actually don't have anything like it in the US, and I'm so excited about the opportunity.
Very excited. Yes.
Thank you for taking the time out today.
Thank you, Rachel. Thank you.
Very soon.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.